Kuringana na minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe, muiretu ucio ria ni wa ukuru wa miaka 27 arekirirwo mukonde muthenya wa ira ukorwo ni anyititwo ni murimu wa coronavirus uria niwe wa mbere kugia na homa guku bururi-ini kuma riria murimu ucio watuthukire bururi-ini wa China.
I want to inform you that the Ministry of Health has confirmed the first coronavirus case in Kenya.
Muiretu ucio kurerikana araumite bururi-ini wa US na gukinya guku Nairobi kugerera bururi wa London kuri tariki 5 mweri uyu.
This is a Kenya citizen who traveled back to Nairobi returning from the United States of America via London, United Kingdom on the 5th of March 2020. She was confirmed positive by the National Influenza Center Laboratory at the National Public Health Laboratories of the Ministry of Health.
Minister Kagwe na gukiri uguo neugite murwaru ucio uri thibitari-ini munene gwa Kenyatta ndari hatikaine kuona ikiro ciake cia urugari ni ithiete thi guku agikinyaniria ni marikitie gutambura andu aria mahutanitie nake aria megubatarikana guikara keheri-ini kugiririria gutherema kwa homa iyo.
The patient is stable. Her temperature has gone down to normal. She is behaving normally. She is eating, but she cannot be released until the tests continue, until she gets negative. But as far as her state is concerned, the lady is okay.
Kenya ni moretio kuoyana urito mitaratara ere heanetwo ya kugiririria coronavirus ta guthingata utheru wa moko na guikara haraya ta mita imwe kuma kuri mundu urakorora na gwathimura na kuri Kenya mahirwo mukana wigie gutambia ndumiriri cia maheni nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ciegie murimo ucio.
Persons with a cough or sneeze should stay at home or keep a social distance but avoid mixing with others in a crowd. Maintain good respiratory hygiene by covering your mouth and nose while coughing and sneezing with a handkerchief, tissue or flexed elbow.
Kenya ni moretio kwaga kugia na hao o yothe kuona thirikari ni thiete na mbere na gwikira hinya mitaratara iria yambikitwo kugiririria gutherema kwa murimo ucio.
We wish to assure all Kenyans that we have been beefing up our preparedness capacities since the first confirmation cases in China. The government will use all available resources to respond to this case.
Bururi wa Kenya waigirite ithabu-ini ria mabũrũri ma Afrika maria magomeirwo ni homa ya corona kuria onaguo bururi wa Ethiopia utangathire murimu ucio ni urikitie kuingira kwao thutha wa raia umwe wa miaka 48 kuma bururi wa Japan gukurikana ari naguo uria umite bururi wa Burkina Faso tariki 4 mweri uyu. Ona thengio wa thirikari kuga ni kwirutira na njira ciothe iria ikuhota kung'ethanira na murimu wa coronavirus, Akenya ni moritio kunyita itemi ria kwigitira na njira ya guthingata utheru wa moko hamwe na gufuata mitaratara iria yagiriire. Handu-ini Hanjata TV kuma kaunti ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Njeri wa Njoroge.